Hey everybody, we got a 2011 Acura RDX here at the Auto Connect today. 2.3 turbo, just serviced it. Really nice car, pretty low miles for the year, 112,000 miles only on it. It does have one ding here underneath the gas cap. You got a little paint chip there. Overall, it's in really good condition, drives really well. Tires are great on it. Do a walk around into this door here, got a couple little bit of chips on it. But for an 11, definitely a really nice car. Has leather, has backup camera, heated seats, dual zone climate. Let's see here, nice little car, sunroof. Now we did order a new trim cover for the console. Have not got that in yet though. We'll go ahead and start her up. Go ahead and shut the door here. 656,000 miles. Really nice car, heated seats. Something you might be interested in, give us a holler, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, kind of what we specialize in, but you also have any luxury, foreign, or domestic vehicles, give us a holler. We can maybe help you on the repair side as well. Thank you for checking out this video.